Right, Punto time again. Right, what I'm doing at the moment is the rocker cover gasket is leaking, or cam cover, whatever you want to call it, depends on which country you're in. Right, so you need to undo a bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, but you need to take your cap off because it covers it up. Undo this one, undo the one in there. There is one tricky one round here. Take these off and then pull this back. Once you got it pulled back enough, then you can expect the cam belt, which this one does need doing. Pull this one off of here, which goes to there, and hopefully that should be it. So let's connect you up there, let you have a look and see what I'm doing. Just go careful with all your cables and wires, like everything's so fragile. And as they get older, they get even more fragile. I haven't done one of these before. It's the first time working on this Punto. The only last time I've done anything, which is a service. So I don't know any more than you. Ah, what have we got here? I see. What's this do? What's that do then? Ah, I see. That just lifts up there like that. Okay, you just lift that up, pull that out of the way, and then that's it. Off it comes. You know what, a gooey muck comes with it. And there we go. Right, so there we are. There's our camshaft. What are you looking after now?
Tiny.
What, a tiny one?
Yeah.
It's cute, isn't it? It's tiny. Very
It's got
tiny.
some roughage on there.
No, that's the back of it, so that's fine. That's the back. What you've got to worry about is these lobes here. See the lobes here? They're fine, they're absolutely lovely.
So she's performing right.
Yeah, there's no signs of any knocking, banging, clattering. But we need a cam belt. Yeah, that's bad. It's
Wow.
amazing, that's amazing. That's still carried on going. Well, you're not going to drive it now anyway. So I'm not letting you drive this car now. So it's from today, that's it. I'm recording as well, mate, so they all know. So from today, you won't be driving it. That cam belt's too far gone. Look at it. It's cracked. It's amazing it's lasted that long. 5 years of driving it, it's amazing it's lasted that long. That's really bad cracks in there. So from today, you have to use my car. I'm going to take this one off the road. Or you can use the Metro.
Okay. We need to get a new one of these now.
Yeah, I think it should be alright. It's only slight. I don't think it should be alright.
Yeah, we've got this side.
Yeah, no. Alright, well, we'll have to price one up. But first things first, we've got to get this coil pack replaced. Because that one is an old one that's on there now. Because how is it? You buy a brand new ones and then one don't work. So we need to clean all this off. So I think I'm going to give you that job, clean all that muck off. Ooh, look at that. Boing. So that's that. Right, let's show you the cover. There be the cover. As you can see, very mucky, very gooey. And I'm not being funny now, it doesn't even look like there's a gasket on there.
Side of thing, isn't it?
Oh, there it is. I can feel it now. Yeah, there it is. They have sealed it as well. So obviously they've had it off at one time before, back ages ago, I expect it was leaking a little bit. So it looks like it's been leaking around the back there. You can see traces of it down around there. A little bit down the front, down here it's been leaking. a little bit down here, as you can see, it's come down through there, leak down through there. So yeah, you do get little bits and pieces like this what a leak. But yeah, that cam belt is that cam belt's had it.
Done his mileage.
That has done its mileage, that has had it. Right, so we're gonna get all this cleaned up. So you don't want to see us all cleaning all this crap up. I mean, just all you do with this is just get a razor blade, clean it up with a razor blade very carefully, and then use some tissue to wipe it all off. And this, exactly the same with this. Give it all a good clean, wipe it all out, and good as new when you fit it. Make sure your breathers are all cleaned out as well, so they don't, because they can always sometimes block up and yeah, make it smoke like a train. Anyway, right, there we are. So we'll come back when we start fitting it back together. Okay, right, we've cleaned it up the best we can. We put the new gasket on, a lot thicker than the new gasket is. The old one was totally, well, wore out. Yeah, we've cleaned it all down there. Let's get this out of the way a minute, and then we'll try and see if we can get you up there. Ooh, that didn't sound good. First she drives up the road now and finds her tyre goes flat. The car just hit a curb. Right, there you go now, Leaf. Let's see, let's put it back together. It's bloody fiddle when you get out, it's fiddle when you get back in, it looks a bit. Watch these wires. Make sure everything's on there. Slip down there like that. So, it's a lot thicker with this one. Gasket, yeah. When you do these up, just do it up on there a bit at a time so they start biting. Just keep bringing them down a bit at a time. And that's it. Just check your work, make sure it's all fine. It certainly is a lot thicker gasket, a lot better. Remember to put your bolts back in here. This one goes around just here. That's that. As soon as you've done all that, connect these back up. It goes on there. That one goes in there. Push that. Make sure you push that down. Put the cap back on. Here's a stiff one, that one. Put this breather back on here. That goes to the air filter. Right, so now I'll get my system, start it up and see if it runs okay and make sure there's no leaks. And don't worry, we are going to do that cam belt. We just haven't got one at the moment, so I'll have to order that in. So in the meantime, we'll carry on with the rest of the little jobs that we need doing. That's certainly going to solve this problem now, because it certainly was leaking. I can't see nothing leaking at all now. Seems all okay around the back. Yeah, she seems to be all okay. That white thing. Not a bad little car, really. Quite simple to work on. They go quite well as well. For a little 1.2, it really does fly along. Like I said, that was the good coil pack, which was over here, and we bought two brand new ones. One was I fitted, the other one was faulty, so I've had to put that old one back on, so I'll get a new one fitted in a few days time. But yeah, it seems to be all okay, no oil leaks. Give it a bit of a rev. Okay. Right, there we go. One rocker cover fitment. And that's it. Right. There we go. So, big thank you for everybody who's watched. Like, subscribe, usual routine. And I'll try and see if I can bring you more on the little Fiat. Ta-ta for now.